Hello, Debbie. David Burston here from Confidence Unlimited. I am looking forward to catching up with you Sunday week on the 2nd for the Professional Communication Workshop. That it will be at the Community Support Centre at 13 Donald Street. If you can make it by 8:15, that would be fantastic because we do a lot of interactivity during the day, so I want to get going 8:30 on the dot. So there's no rush, we can cruise through the day. So that would be great if you can make it at 8:15 a.m. The program is about building confidence and your speaking skills, and it is highly interactive. You learn by doing rather than being lectured for the whole day, so you are not going to go to sleep during this workshop. It is a lot of fun. We use humour because some people there's a lot of stress involved, and if you're laughing you can't have stress, it gets rid of the stress. What you'll learn is at the start overcoming the fear factors, what holds you back and how you deal with them. Next we go on to how to create a speech in 10 minutes, and this gives you the tools to quickly put together a memorable presentation, whether you've got to respond in a meeting. If you've got a minute or two, yep, that's what I've got to do. You can put a response in which people remember and it's nice and concise. Or if you've got to do a major presentation, you can get the structure right, and then you can very quickly, and then you can work on really building on that. So that's a basic skill in communication. Next, we look at connecting with the audience. If you don't connect with an audience, you're wasting your time and you're wasting their time. So we do a few exercises there and get you to understand what you need to do to get a strong connection. The mechanics of humour. Humour is so mechanical. Humour is a great connector. So we explain how to unfold the humour within the material that you've got. You've only got to get them to smile. We're not looking for raucous laughter. If they smile, they produce endorphins. Endorphins are a neuroconnector that makes them learn faster. And then we go into impromptu speaking, how to respond to impromptu questions, whether it's an interview question for a job interview or a radio interview, or when you're just speaking one-to-one. It gives you the skills to be much more sure of yourself, to be able to put a concise and short, memorable response together with. As we go through the workshop, I'll explain why we do things the way we do, because of the number of things you can do to increase the participation of participants, get them really honed into what you're doing. So as we go through, if you have to run any workshops, you'll get plenty of ideas of how to become a better trainer. We've still got a few places left. If you've got any friends who would benefit from this, look, it's a great opportunity with the Toastmasters there. There'll be a lot of individual coaching by the Toastmasters, so it is an excellent opportunity. So I really look forward to catching up with you, Debbie, and having a great day on Sunday week.